Hello guys, my name is Juan. I wanted to record this video. I just received this Biolite last week. I just haven't had a chance to do a video, but everything is working on it. I had returned the first one because it was overheating. This one, it was working fine the first day. However, now it's starting to make a noise inside when I turn on the fan. It doesn't it just seems like the fan is loose, or somehow it's vibrating more than usual. It makes more noise than the first one that I received. So and as you can see, I haven't dropped it. There's no marks that it's been dropped or damaged on the outside from a fall or something. I'm gonna try to record the whole thing that way you guys can see it. So I'm also gonna try to do as close as I can, that way you see. And this is the other side. That's the serial number right there. So here it is. This is the inside. And so yeah, it's pretty much brand new. I did turn it on. It's not overheating. It's working fine. I was able to cook myself a meal. But yeah, that's the only issue. So, and you can notice it more on the first level of the fan. Let's see if you guys can catch it. So I know it's supposed to make a sound just exactly the way the other one did, but this one has a vibrating noise inside of it. Like something is not tight inside. Maybe the fan is loose, or but there's like an oscillation in the fan that it's somehow it's vibrating. But and I'm not talking about when it. Obviously if I move it like this, there is going to be movement, but if it's just standing like this without movement, there's still that noise, and there's nothing inside. I mean, oh, it turned off, but yeah, so this is it. Okay, let me know. Thanks.